marmelada. Tastes fruity.
This tastes like some marmalade.
I think it's really good. I like fruit, or I love fruit, so I would eat the whole thing. I've heard that you should eat it with some cheese.
Yeah, we do.
I haven't tried that.
Okay, banana with sugar.
It looks like chocolate, but it's not, I think.
It's quite different from what I've tried before. I think the texture is interesting. It's kind of like gooey.
Yeah, maybe it's too much sugar.
A lot of sugar.
It's good.
Pasoita. No.
It's peanutty. It's really good. It's kind of like peanut butter or Reese's Pieces. It just doesn't have the chocolate.
I do like it.
This is really good. What is it?
It's a fruit.
What fruit?
Acai.
What is it? Banana maybe?
This is cocoa, right?
It has coconut and oil, I think.
It's good. It's familiar. Yes.
It's not bad. It's good. It's quite heavy. A lot of coconut.
It's pretty big to eat the whole one, but I think it's okay.
It's okay, but not my favorite.
What is the name? Globo? Globo, yeah.
It's like donuts.
This is like chips.
But not salty and not sweet. I don't know. It's interesting.
I like this as well.
Doesn't really taste anything.
The acai drink was my favorite.
Parece borracha.
Tem gosto de que isso, gente?
Não sei qual o gosto, mas
Parece gosto de menta.
É tipo um mentolado com açúcar.
cara, eu acho que tá mais pra petróleo. Eu nunca comi não, mas deve ser assim.
E é meio borracha. Mas, assim, não é muito ruim, não.
Comida brasileira é melhor.
Não comeria de novo.
Dá pra comer.
Mais ou menos, mas tem nosso doce é melhor.
Parece doce, mas é salgado.
Desculpa, mas...
Caramba, maravilhoso.
A gente gostou muito da interação aí com o time da Finlândia. E apesar da comida não ser muito boa, a gente vai torcer por vocês nas Olimpíadas.
Go,
Go Finland!